So we've been on the go for a couple weeks, not really much downtime. So we got done with the car last night, and Lutz said it's time to take a break.
As done as we could get without taking it down the track, which we have to do tomorrow.
You're right.
So Lutz said it's time to take a break. So he's got a house about an hour away. Woo! That's a little heavy for both of us to walk.
That's a little heavy for two.
Yeah. So we're gonna jump in Junior's boat here, and we're gonna check out the lake a little bit, or river.
It's Allegheny River. So.
Allegheny River.
Time to kick back and relax a little bit before we get after it again.
Before we go hit it hard again. Yes.
Jump in on the side.
You used to climb up this side, but since they did the rails for trails, they started blocking it off. John, I think you could do that.
No, not right now. It's cold.
No, this water coming out here is always warm.
Yeah, it's shallow.
Yeah.
That's only 30.
Oh, that water's beautiful down there.
That's a little fire hose.
Yeah.
Not gonna end still on it. Yeah, right where we're going, the water's super fucking warm. You'll see.
It says kisser on the pisser.
What?
It says kisser on the pisser.
Yes.
That's fucking awesome.
Where's this little part right here take us to?
This is called Red Bank, and this is a stream. So we're going to the shallow part of the stream. This is where everybody tides off and parties, gets drunk, and we get to watch them at night. We'll be sitting on the deck and watch the drunks coming back and fishing game, nailing them left and right. Pretty funny. But this is where you have a good time back here. This is a lot of fun.
Friday, Saturday,
Yeah.
Sunday, everyone's back.
It's like the Redneck Yacht Club, you know, where all the boats tie off and shit. It's fucking cool.
Like Party Cove at a lake.
It's exactly right.
Party Cove.
Y'all, everywhere in Oklahoma, the water's always red, right? Because of the mud.
For the most part.
Yeah.
For the most part.
Pretty much. This here, you'll be able to see the bottom down
Yeah.
here. It's beautiful.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
And it's actually, since it just rained, it's usually a little murky, but if it don't rain for a week, this is usually pretty clear too.
This is a no-wake zone, too.
Yeah.
Well, we're almost not throwing away.
We're fucking at
It's a no wake zone.
We're outlaws.
Hashtag outlaws.
Yeah, man, I'm always in a hurry to do something.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool here in the summertime when it's like the water's nice and clear. This is all slate. The whole bottom of this is slate.
really?
Yeah, it's cool as fuck looking. It's crazy looking, ain't it?
Yeah,
Especially from where you guys are from.
for sure. Tin Killer's about as close as it gets at home to this, but even then it's not like this.
Look how thick them trees are.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, man.
You couldn't walk through that shit.
My family has a camp in the Allegheny Forest up north. You talk about a forest, it's dark.
Where everybody goes bear hunting and all that. That's crazy.
rope swing?
Am I gonna do the rope swing?
You're gonna get that on video.
Yeah.
It's right there. I did it like a year and a half ago. I got a little fatter. That's better. Hold on.
So there's a rope swing here that everyone likes to swing off of. Oh yeah, there it is.
That doesn't look like a very sturdy, strong
I
rope.
think you'll be just fine. Yeah, you'll be fine. Dude, I watched a guy do that one time. I didn't think he could pull himself up there. Yeah, probably upset yourself. What do you think, Bart? Jump in or what?
I think I'll pass on the
try and
rope
park
swing.
out
I think I'll jump off the deal though if Junior's going to.
Oh, we going back here? Yeah.
Off the bridge?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Yes. Yeah, you can see the bottom. Yeah, you can. I can see rock. Yeah. So no rope swing?
I'm good on the rope swing.
What do you think, Finn?
do, but yeah.
I mean, you know, if he was doing it for the gram type cat, it'd be cool, but
I'll do it if you do it. I'm good for not doing it for the gram type dude. Look, I'm old, man. I don't want to hurt myself.
I mean, it's kind of a little
guys are
tree
still
that it hangs
young.
off of.
Yeah, no, I know. It's a little tree and it's a little rope.
Yeah.
I think they can do it though.
I believe
You know
it.
what I mean?
I believe it.
I'm going.
Look how
do it,
fat
you
I
do
am. I'll jump off the bridge.
Oh, come on.
I ain't fucking swung off a rope in a long time, man.
I don't think.
I used to when I was a kid. We had a place called J Buckle, and it was a natural spring where everybody used to wash their clothes.
Oh yeah.
And everybody, it was probably the size of this boat, maybe double wide, but that's it. And you swung off a rope and you landed in it. I've seen people miss the whole thing before.
Oh.
Yeah, no, it was pretty stupid. Oh, we're on the bottom.
The water pretty cold still?
Yeah, my balls are
They
drawn
brought us up
already.
in here to a stream and trying to talk us into it being warm.
Yeah, talking. I mean, you
Think
know
y'all
this
are just
shit
being
came down
pussy.
from the mountains.
Yeah.
At one point, this shit was snow.
Not around here, was it?
Man, you missed it, man. Jeff almost fell.
Put the camera down for 1
Come the
second.
camera down and Jeff
1
almost
second.
falls.
Oh.
Yeah, no, it's like clay and shit sticks to the bottom of your feet.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, no, I'm not. I wasn't gonna get my shirt wet. I pull my shirt off.
Hey, that shit's wet now.
Yeah, no, I know.
You're good.
Y'all going over there?
I think so.
Y'all gonna swim over there?
Let's go. Come on. Is it too far?
No,
Let's go.
I'm just
the
not gonna
shade?
swim.
You could walk halfway across. It don't get deep till out there.
No, there's a fence tilted up against it. You climb.
Oh yeah, no, I ain't put my feet in no fence. Wind blowing, looking all good and shit. Just laying his hair back.
What?
Nothing.
That's like fucking Beetlejuice.
Beetlejuice.
Sean thinks it's a baby pig.
What it looks like. I'm gonna tell you in a minute, I'm gonna grab it.
We're getting it out of there. It stinks like hell. Don't
So-
mind Sean, he's in his boxers.
So there's some sort of dead animal or fish, dead creature.
Oh, this
Like
is
this, I'm gonna-
fucking gross.
And Sean is gross enough that he's gonna grab this thing.
Oh, look at all the flies around it.
He's gonna grab this dead creature so we can get the smell away from Jeff's house.
I don't think you're going all the way in there, Dad. You're gonna chip and fall the boat up.
Yeah, hold up. I'll just get out and go get it. Oh my God, dude, what is that? Dude, what the fuck is that thing? Hold up, Jeff, hold up.
Yeah, I mean,
Oh, it's got hair all over it, except for where it's
look
been.
at it. Look at its teeth.
God damn, it fucking stinks.
Is that a turtle
Grab
without
that
its shell?
It's a beaver.
It's a gopher.
It's a fucking beaver.
That ain't no goddamn
Yes, it
gopher.
is. It's a beaver.
That ain't a beaver.
Just pull it out in the water.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
You getting in?
Move.
Yeah, I'm
Getting
getting in. Hang on.
Jeff, push us off.
I can't.
Or Sean, push us off.
So Sean is now holding a, oh my God, it stinks. Is
Go.
holding a dead beaver.
Go.
Oh my
Why are
God.
y'all holding your breath? I got it. Oh my God, it fucking stinks. Christine,
I can't get away.
the beaver. It stinks really bad. We're gonna take it out, away from the house. God, it stinks.
Woo!
God, I'm about to use your freaking dirty shorts.
Oh my God.
First off, those shorts are...
I wish that you people in
You
YouTube
people,
land,
what you mean, people?
I wish you people in YouTube land could smell how
throw that.
foul this
Ugh.
is.
No, it's gonna go right back to us.
So, all right, we'll go down a little bit.
Oh my God, it's terrible.
You guys are pussies. Just go.
This is awful.
Dude, look at it.
It's a skinned beaver.
He says, dude, look at it. Drop it.
Huh?
Drop
right
it.
here?
Yeah.
Not far enough away.
Yeah, just drop it.
Just go.
Just
go.
go,
Give
Jeff,
some
go.
gas.
Go. Tilt it down.
Hey, look at it, man. What do you guys give me to lick it?
$100.
$100
bucks ain't worth it. I'll just
50, you tongue that bitch.
Jeff,
Jeff, that way. Away from camp. I'm
Don't-
coming over here. I don't care.
I feel like
It's gonna float.
You know how like whenever chicken falls off the bone? That's what's happening with his foot right now.
Oh.
We need to go.
Oh my God. What is wrong with you?
Okay. Look at it.
Oh man.
That is the grossest thing in the world.
And he sniffs his fingers. No. Oh
Look at
my
it, it's just
God.
hanging out.
You are a sick son of a bitch.
It's just hanging out. Hey,
Man.
we smelled something that stunk. We took care of the problem.
That's right.
It's what we do. We're problem solvers. Look at it, just hanging out
It's
there.
like a bulber.
I about hurled there for a second.
Oh God, I almost did.
He probably didn't smell it.
Oh, it still
Smell's blowing
stinks.
back to us.
You guys are a bunch of sissies. Woo.
I couldn't do that.
Hey, I wouldn't have grabbed it barehanded. I wouldn't have wanted to. We'll just say it like that. I wouldn't have wanted to.
But hey,
Got it. Well, look, now we're not gonna have to smell it anymore. You smell it, you put up with it for about, what, 2 minutes, and now the smell's gone. Hopefully it's gonna float up into somebody else's area.
that was brutal. Yeah, that was.
That thing stunk.
He's smelling his fingers and shit.
It was bad.
Oh,
They're a bunch of sissies.
if I'd ate, it would have been in the boat.
I was just gonna ask, do you want me to cook?
Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah, I'm starved. Y'all got any pig?
You got any beaver?
I could go get us
What
one.
about some fucking trout?
So, man, it felt good to relax there for a little bit.
Yeah.
Sorry it's not the video of fixing the OG like they're probably expecting, but
But that one's coming.
it's coming. Man, I got
Hey, and this is
like 16 to 18 hours of video to sort through.
Yeah, no,
so,
this is a nice, short,
uh,
sweet, easy for him to do.
Yeah, well, I mean, and it was, you know, this is basically just, it was for us, you know, we took this time
Yeah,
for us,
yeah.
relaxed, been on the road for a little bit, been
We
working.
have. It's
so,
been, you know, I haven't even been home I went home for 1 day last week. You haven't been home in two and a half, 3 weeks.
In a while.
So, and we're not planning on going home until what, next Tuesday or Wednesday, something like that. So, you know, we needed this. You know. So
we'll, you know, stay patient. The video of the OG's coming. Just give me a little bit of time to get that edited up, and we'll see y'all next time.